Hey everyone, Crash with Crashly here. I have another Diamond Art Club sneak peek. It is so cute. It is Faith, Trust, and Pixie Dust. You got Tinkerbell and Hook. So cute. Faith, Trust, and Pixie Dust. Look at that. Alright, it is 55.8 centimeters by 70.7 centimeters. It is a square drill canvas. So beautiful. I love these boxes too. We got a Peter Pan down here on the side. We have our kit contents here, how it works and such. Alright, on this thumbnail here it says full diamond coverage area. There are 66 colors including 3 ABs and 4 fairy dust diamonds. Total diamonds, 63,616. Beautiful Peter Pan. And then it has the Disney logo there as well. Alright, let's get into this. And then we do have the updated Diamond Art Club boxes with the tabs here. So we're just going to pull those out and lift this up. And you can see how it's coming up from the tabs on the side here. And let's get into it. And these are pretty stiff lids, so I have to use my other hand to push in so I can open it well. We have our toolkit, our thank you thingy here, and we have the canvas. Alright, let me go ahead and put this box elsewhere really quick. Okay, so let's go ahead and run through our toolkit, then we'll check out the thank you and then check the canvas out as well. Alright, let's get into it here. We're going to run through this here pretty quick since you all have seen this toolkit 100 million times. We have our extra baggies for your drill storage. We have our twisty self-producing, putty. It is their clear putty that everyone loves, or wax. I'm not sure if you'd call it wax or putty. And we have our tray with the lid. We have extra putty / wax here. If you don't like that clear stuff, they have the heart wax as well, 7-placer. And of course our tray has the stopper as well. So let me set this stuff off to this side. Alright, so now let's look at our thank you note here. Ooh, here is our trading card. Look how beautiful that is. So for those who don't know, this is another thing that you can collect for the diamond paintings. It has the title, the size and everything. And then you can see the color around here shows you the rarity of the trading card or the treasure quest cards. And then right here you could scratch it off and reveal a code. You get so many and you can redeem those for things on their website. So for more information, go to diamondartclub.com and type in search treasure quest cards. And you can see what all you can redeem. These are beautiful. Alright, and then our little opener here says tips and tricks, of course. Step-by-step instructions, kit contents. If you have never purchased from Diamond Art Club before, check out my description of this video. It is my affiliate link, so if you click that and purchase for the first time, you'll get a discount and I get a small kickback. So check that out here. And then we open this up and we see all of our symbols here, and these are individual stickers, as you could tell. So you can use these on your containers to kit up. So, and then they moved all the special drills over here. Oh, look, that one says Ikru. Oh, I can't wait to see what that is. We have 3 ABs, and we have 4 fairy dusts. So it says AB if it's an Aurora Borealis drill, and Z if it's a fairy dust. So all of our beautiful stickers here. And then you have another thumbnail image here that is also a sticker. You can use that on your kit up, or if you have different projects going at the same time to make sure you know what drills go with what. And you have a start date, end date too for your logbook. So I'm going to set that off to the side and let's go ahead and dive into the canvas. Okay, we are getting into the canvas. I cannot wait to see. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here is the top of it. Look at that. That is so pretty. So this one has the dark lines for the perforated plastic. Let's go ahead and zoom out so you can see it here. Here she is in all of her beautiful glory. Got Captain Hook up there. Oh, she looks great. The way they render these faces is just awesome. Oh, I didn't even know you got his hand here and his hook over here and his coat flying. Got all this yarn and stuff going on. This is so cute. So it looks like it's gonna be a nice, easy canvas, and it would look good like in anyone's, you know, kid's bedroom or something. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go through these drills here. Zoom out just a little bit. All right, let's see what we got here. 66 colors. Okay, so here is a bunch of whites, and it is like the background that you saw. All here is all white. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of 3, 8, 6, 5. All right, and we have 3 big old bags of 3, 10, 3, 8, 1, 1. Here is that special drill, Ecru. It is so pretty. I love it. That's gonna add some extra pizzazz to it, make it pop. Then we have 598. Here's our fairy dust Z958. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so we have 3830, 2 bags of 3756, then 733, 963. Here's our AB5200. Super pretty. And next, let's see here. Ooh, we have 2 big bags of Z666. Beautiful red. 2 bags of 828, 3856, 402, 3799, 964, 816, and 3782, 3731, 3842, 3765, 3808, 822. Here's another one, Z3042. Ooh, that's really, really pretty. It kind of looks like a burgundy purple kind of color. I don't know. 550. Then we have 413758, 552, 3766, AB321. Then we have 356, AB741, 3778, 3805, 3024, 471, 166, 819, 353, 498, 834, 702. Here's another fairy dust Z3078, 3072, and 779. So we have a bunch, like a mix of different colors, beautiful and bright. Now let's take a closer look at this here canvas. So like I said, the corners here are a lot of color blocking. It's all that white that we saw here. And here is the moon with the ship and our little map here. And here is Hook with his little hat and feather. And here's the top right corner, more of the color blocking. And we're still on the right. Let's go ahead and go towards the center. Here is her face. She is so pretty. You could really bling out, like extra bling out the wings too. This is so beautiful. So how many Tinkerbell fans do we have in the house? Who plans on purchasing this? I gotta know. Oh, and also if you wanted to see the perforated cover, it does not bleed through. And I think they got that issue resolved pretty quick once they got that feedback. Super stunning. All right, let's see where those fairy dust and special drills are. Okay, so the special drills, we have the AB, or the ecru, sorry if I'm saying that wrong, and the AB all in her wings here. So they really went all out with that. There's actually, oh yeah, so the AB and the ecru, whatever. And then the red we have here in his cape. And let's see, what was the next one? Oh, we had that blue. That was a fairy dust. And you see down here these little swirly swirls. That's where I saw those. It's the star symbol, so it's also like within her background here as well. The purple N is here in his hook. That is another fairy dust. And then the yellow is another fairy dust that is, I call it like the tree symbol. I saw that in her hair mostly, and then some in this glowy part down here. So you have your special drills all over. This is a beautiful canvas. You could probably work this one up pretty quick as well. So this is going to be released from Diamond Art Club. Check out their VIP group. I have that link in the description of this video. If you're not part of that group already, go ahead and join that group so you don't miss anything. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and the like on your way out, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. So until next time, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.